Cheese Enchiladas.
Sounds good. Here's the Common Ground recipe from volunteer Paula Peterson.
Today we're going to make Cheery Cheesecake Enchiladas. We have got half a thing of cream cheese, half a package. Then we've got a half of, I am only doing a half a batch right now. The recipe I sent you was a full batch. 1/8 of a cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You mix it all together with your cream cheese. You take a tortilla shell, put your cream cheese, spread it around, add a couple tablespoons of cherry pie filling, and then you just roll it up like you would a tortilla and put it in your pan. And from there you melt a little butter and add more cinnamon, and then you bake it for a half hour, and then you get your Cheery Cheesecake Enchiladas, which Christian will sample. Christian is my grandson in 6th grade. Thumbs up, thumbs down. There we go.
Thank you, Paula. And the recipe is going to be on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page.